In a breakthrough that could revolutionize how we fight our own immune system, the Nobel Assembly at Karolinska Institute has just announced the 2025 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. The prestigious award goes to three pioneering immunologists for their game-changing discoveries on immune tolerance this year. Dr. Mary E. Brunko, born in 1961, a Princeton PhD and Senior Program Manager at the Institute for Systems Biology in Seattle, USA, won the award along with Dr. Fred Ramsdell, born in 1960, with a PhD from University of California in Los Angeles, now a scientific advisor at Sonoma Biotherapeutics in San Francisco. And leading the trio, Professor Shimon Sakaguchi, born in 1951, an MD and PhD from Kyoto University, serving as Distinguished Professor at Osaka University's Immunology Frontier Research Center in Japan. They share the prize for uncovering the secrets of peripheral immune tolerance, the body's natural brake on overzealous immune responses. Professor Sakaguchi discovered regulatory T cells or Tregs, a special squad of immune cells marked by CD4 and CD25 proteins that act like peacekeepers, stopping attacks on our own tissues and calming inflammation after infections. Doctors Brunko and Ramsdell pinpointed the FOXP3 gene, the master switch for Treg development. Mutations here cause devastating autoimmune diseases like IPEX in humans and scurvy syndrome in mice, proving Tregs are essential gatekeepers. This isn't just lab trivia, it's a medical revolution. In cancer, tumors hijack Tregs as shields. Now, scientists are stripping that armor to unleash immune attacks on tumors, boosting therapies like immunotherapy. For autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis or type 1 diabetes, we are engineering more Tregs or using drugs like interleukin-2 to dial down the chaos, with promising clinical trials underway. And in transplants, lab-grown Tregs prevent organ rejection, paving the way for safer stem cell therapies and life-saving procedures. These discoveries have birthed a whole new field of immunology, offering hope for millions battling immune-related illnesses. Their work reminds us that science's best wins come from curiosity. Stay tuned for more Nobel updates with the Federal.